Hello, I am Aris AV from BSc Information Technology. Today I am going to explain about artificial intelligence. Applications of artificial intelligence are automobiles, business, education, finance, manufacturing, gaming, government, healthcare, and the artificial intelligence are called as if man can create a machine that works and thinks like a human. Artificial intelligence increasingly becomes a matter of international politics, a move towards transparent artificial intelligence, AI, and automation drilling deeper into very business. More jobs will be created by AI than will be lot to it. AI assistants will become truly useful. What are powers artificial intelligence? There are machine learning and deep learning, cognitive computing, natural language processing, computer vision, neural network, graphical processing unit, Internet of Things, advanced algorithms. The intelligence demonstrated by machine is known as artificial intelligence. These machines are able to learn with experience and perform human-like tasks. It's capable of performing tasks intelligently without being excellently instructed, capable of thinking and acting rationally and humanly. What are the types of artificial intelligence? There are three types of artificial intelligence. They are artificial narrow intelligence (ANI), artificial general intelligence (AGI), and artificial super intelligence (ASI). How artificial intelligence works? First, machine learning. Machine learning teaches a machine how to make interfaces and designs based on past experience. It identifies patterns, analyzes past data to infer the meaning of this data, points to reach a possible conclusion without having to involve human experience. Second, deep learning. Deep learning is an machine language technique. It teaches a machine to process inputs through layers in order to classify, infer, and predict the outcome. Neural networks. Neural networks works on the similar principles as of human neural cells. They are a series of algorithms and captures the relationship between various variables and processes the data as a human brain does. Natural Learning Processing (NLP) is a science of reading, understanding, and interpreting a language by a machine. Once a machine understands what the user intends to, the communication it responds accordingly. Computer vision. Computer vision algorithms tries to understand an image by breaking down an image and studying different parts of the objects. Cognitive computing. Cognitive computing algorithms try to mimic a human brain by do the deep learning, natural language processing, machine learning, neural networks, computer vision, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, semi-supervised learning. There are difference between a strong AI and weak AI. First, strong AI. It is a wider application with a more vast scope. Weak AI. It is a narrow application with a limited scope. Strong AI. This application has an incredible human level intelligence And weak AI, this application is good at specific tasks. Strong AI, it uses clustering and association to process data. Weak AI, it uses supervised and unsupervised learning to process data. Strong AI example, advanced robotic. Weak AI example, Siri, Alexa. Advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. First, advantages: reduces in human errors, helps in learning repetitive work, provides digital assistance, faster and more accurate designs. Second, disadvantages of artificial intelligence: cost overruns, dearth of talent, lack of practical products, potential for misuse. The robots in artificial intelligence. First, the fields of robotics as. Thank you for watching my video on my interesting topic.